In this video, I would like to explain SAT Maths Algebra question 24. In this question, we must find the values of x. 2 raised to 3x multiplied by 4 raised to x plus 1 equal to 120x. Write this exponent. 2 raised to 3x multiplied by 4 is equal 2 raised to 2 and then 2 raised to 2 the whole power x plus 1 equal to 128 is equal 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 3x multiplied by we can multiply the two exponent and then 2 raised to 2x plus 2 equal 2 raised to 7. Base are the same, so we make u b raised to n multiplied by b raised to n equal b raised to n plus n. So 2 raised to 3x plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 7. Next step, 2 raised to 5x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 7. If bases are the same and then exponents are equal, so 5x plus 2 equal 7. 5x equal 7 minus 2. 5x equal 5. Dividing both sides by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. So x equal 1. X equal 1 is the solution of the given exponential equation. Thanks for watching.